in 3, 2, 1. And we start 15-5-6-2, lowering themselves 7-7-7-6, jolting themselves down.
And it seems that team 187 unfortunately does not identify the correct mineral. And it seems that the Red Alliance managed to both start hanging and lowering themselves, while as both of the Blue Alliance members started on the ground, earning them a lot of points during this autonomous segment.
The Blue Alliance is 15-5-2-7, not going anywhere from that lander.
3, 2, 1.
Now let's see these robots shine. 15-5-6-2 going right over to that blue crater, collecting one of the gold minerals out of the Blue Alliance's sample field over there.
Unfortunately, it slipped out of their tines as it was not able to keep it inside.
That's unfortunate. 15-5-5-6 looks like they're trying to pick up minerals from right over the crater edge.
And it seems that team 14-5-2-7 unfortunately was not able to keep that silver mineral in their claw.
7-7-7-6 manages to collect 2 gold minerals. Let's watch them and see if they can deposit them right into the lander. They're getting real close to the edge there. They could have some difficulty. Interesting, they seem to be a little bit too low to do anything. The Blue Alliance, of course, having a nice pile of minerals over in their depot compared to the Red Alliance's measly 1. Ooh, a violent thunk coming from 7776. They've dropped a mineral, and now it seems to be stuck between their body and their drive.
It seems that team 14527 got themselves stuck on their crater and is currently trying to free themselves.
7776 trying to get that mineral in, but failing, unfortunately. It looks like they've got 30 seconds left in the game. It's unfortunate. 7776's mechanism looks like it could be very powerful, but they might be having some small issues. Let's see if they can come back with something stronger a little later.
And it seems that one of the Red Alliance members has managed to get themselves up as team 187 tries to jam themselves in the crater along with their buddies 14527. Ooh.
7776 trying to hang. Oh, ooh. That was a very ugly noise.
But fortunately, ugly works, as it seems like they managed to get themselves off of the ground, although we'll have to see the ruling on that from the referees.
And it looks like we have the scores for qualification match number 11, giving Red Alliance 112 points over Blue Alliance's 55. A lot of those points seem to have come from autonomous.